two AI video generators went head-to-head. PixVerse, fast, cheap, loved by creators. Google Veo 3.1, expensive, cinematic, the benchmark everyone else is chasing. I tested both for 2 weeks, so you don't have to. Here's the honest verdict. OpenAI shut down Sora in March 2026. That left a huge gap. Google's Veo 3.1 stepped in as the quality king, but PixVerse kept shipping, and its free tier is still the most generous in the space. The real question is, which one is right for you? PixVerse launched its V6 model earlier this year. It generates 4 to 15-second clips from text or images. Realistic, anime, 3D, cinematic, you pick the style. And critically, 60 free credits every single day. No card required. Google Veo 3.1 came out October 2025. 8-second clips, up to 4K resolution, and the thing that makes it genuinely different. Audio is generated in the same pass as the video. Dialogue, sound effects, ambient sound, all synchronized automatically. PixVerse's 3 biggest differentiators. 1. 20-plus cinematic camera controls baked into generation, dolly, orbit, zoom, all declared in the prompt. 2. Multi-style output in a single interface. Switch between realistic and anime without changing tools. 3. The multi-shot engine that keeps character and world state consistent across internal cuts. Veo 3.1's 3 pillars. 1. Native 48 kHz audio, the industry's only model where audio is not an afterthought. 2. 4K resolution output, ranking number 1 on both Movie Gen Bench and VBENCH. 3. Image to video with accurate physics, the best I2V quality on any benchmark right now. Speed is where PixVerse wins clearly. A 360p clip renders in about 30 seconds, 720p in about a minute. Veo 3.1 takes 3 to 5 minutes per clip. If you're iterating on a prompt, testing angles, rewriting descriptions, PixVerse's speed is a massive practical advantage. Quality is where Veo 3.1 wins, and it's not close. Veo ranks number 1 on every major benchmark. The lip sync is genuinely convincing. PixVerse looks great for social media, but loses fine detail on fast motion, and its audio is noticeably noisier. For anything going into a professional production, Veo is the answer. PixVerse is built for one person, the creator who publishes every day and needs volume. Social media clips, ad concept tests, viral content experiments. You get 60 free generations a day and clips in under a minute. That's a creative workflow, not a production pipeline. Veo 3.1 is for one person, the professional who needs the output to look real. Film concepts, high-end brand campaigns, narrative scenes where audio sync matters. You're not iterating 40 times. You're spending time crafting the perfect prompt and letting Veo execute it properly. PixVerse pricing. Free tier, 60 credits per day, watermark free, genuinely useful. Starter at $9.99 per month gets you 500 credits and 108op. Pro at $29.99 bumps to 2,000 credits and a commercial license. The catch? Credits burn on failed generations too, not just successful ones. Veo 3.1 pricing is a different animal. Google AI Pro at $19.99 a month gives you roughly 50 clips via the fast model. On the API, you pay 40 cents per second of video. That's $3.20 per 8-second clip at standard quality. The Lite API at 5 cents per second is more workable for developers. Free access exists via Google Vids, but it's limited. Here's what PixVerse gets wrong. Resolution caps at 108op, while Kling and Veo already ship 4K. The credit system is frustrating. You pay for every generation attempt, successes and failures alike. Character consistency breaks across clips if you're building a series. And there's no editing timeline. Once you generate, what you get is what you get. And here's what Veo 3.1 gets wrong. 8 seconds per clip. Full stop. If your story needs 12 seconds, you're stitching clips together. Generation takes 3 to 5 minutes, killing fast iteration workflows. There's no real free daily tier, and at 40 cents per second, iterating through 10 prompt variations costs $32. That's a real barrier. The direct scorecard on speed, PixVerse wins easily. On quality and resolution, Veo 3.1 wins clearly. On value for volume creators, PixVerse wins. On native audio quality, Veo wins by a large margin. On free access, PixVerse wins with 60 daily credits. On professional use, Veo wins. They're genuinely optimized for different people. What real users love about each? PixVerse on Reddit. The only AI video tool I actually use daily. The free 60 credits keep coming, and the clips look good enough for Instagram. It's not perfect, but it's fast. Veo 3.1 on Reddit. The quality is genuinely miles ahead. The lip sync alone made my jaw drop. And honest complaints, PixVerse on Trustpilot. Results are not consistent. It can make incredible videos, but most of the time the AI doesn't understand basic prompts. Also loses credits when generations fail. Veo 3.1. Hitting the generation limit after 2 clips on the Pro plan killed my workflow. And on budget, the clearest split of all. PixVerse creator, I use the free 60 credits every day and haven't paid once. It just works for what I need. Veo user, if budget isn't a constraint, Veo 3.1 is the answer. Nothing else comes close on cinematic realism. But at 40 cents per second, you're spending $3.20 per clip. That adds up fast when iterating. The verdict. If you create content every day and need volume, PixVerse. Free daily credits, fast generation, good enough quality for social media. If you need the shot to look real, Veo 3.1. Nothing else touches its 4K cinematic output or native audio quality. These tools are not competing for the same user. Pick the one that matches your actual workflow. Links to both tools are in the description below. PixVerse, free tier, no card needed. Veo 3.1, via Google AI Studio or Google Vids. Drop a comment if you've tested either one. I want to know what you're actually making with these. See you in the next one.